Hi guys, I'm Nuwanga. I'm going to start new journey with my software engineering skills. I have a simple idea to create an image reading website. You know, the photographers, graphic designers, other one who work with images, they want different type of gauges to check image quality and other much more things, such as histogram, and they need to check their brightness and they need to check their contrast and RGB levels. Then I'm going to build a simple website for it. In the first step, I'm going to simply develop a histogram gauge, and this is a very simple website. Then I'm going to use only HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap and PHP to build this website. It is a very simple website. Let's make it with me. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and follow my TikTok channel, Facebook page and Instagram account. And definitely don't forget like, share and comment. Please remember, don't waste your time. Be efficient. Efficiency is the most important thing in current world. Then I'm going to use ChatGPT and prompt how to develop this type of website and take some idea from ChatGPT. Okay, next I'm going to prompt it. Let's see. I need to create a simple website for check image histogram. Please give the code. I need to upload image first and it need to generate the histogram chart. Don't think about the grammar mistakes. I have already added Grammarly to my Chrome browser. Then it will correct my grammar mistakes such as this. Okay, then I'm going to prompt it like this. Then it generates this type of solution for me. And you guys can see now the ChatGPT generate my code. It is very simple code. He is only using HTML, JavaScript and little bit CSS styling. Okay. Next I'm going to put them into the folder and create a file and open it how to check how it is working. Okay, let's do it with me. I copy the code and I open my download folder and I create another directory, another folder. I renamed it to RAM. Next I create a text file and rename it index.html. Open it through the notepad. And copy my code and save it. The next step, I open this file. Yes, there's a simple website I have generated. Then I'm going to upload the image. Okay, I'm going to upload this image. Open it and you can see this simple histogram chart. Okay, I know this is very simple development. This is not a proper one. In the next video, I'm going to decorate it with CSS. This is not the last step. This is the first step. One day I complete this website as usable. And I have planned to host this website then give my service to other people. And let's see in next video. Okay, then subscribe my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, TikTok and Facebook accounts, and don't forget to like, share and comment your ideas. Bye.